Hey babes, it's your girl Haley J here. Thank y'all for tuning in to another video. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button, okay, and hit that notification bell. You hit that subscribe button, okay? Okay, we good. Welcome to the Beauty Babe Gang. Today we are doing a everyday makeup look achievable by anybody, okay? So to start off, we're going to moisturize the face. Always make sure that skin is right and tight because it's going to make your application look flawless, okay? I am using the Emberlee's moisturizer. Everything that I'm using in today's video will be linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. And I'm just taking one of my brushes to blend that in to just keep from using my hands, you know, germs and things. So now I'm applying my foundation. I realized that I forgot primer mid-face, so bear with me, okay? I believe I mixed I use the Nars Radiant Longwear foundations. They're the best. They're super sheer. They're lightweight. And I know I look a little chocolate right now, and I realized that too, so that's why I only did that bottom half of my face, you know what I'm saying? Because that center is going to be filled with concealer anyway. But I mixed Igacu and probably Marquises, y'all. I literally try something new all the time. But whatever your foundation is, apply that all over your face. For concealer, I am using the Born This Way concealer. I'm just taking that under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on the top of my lip. I'm doing my forehead and my chin. This is in the shade Maple, I believe. So while I'm waiting for that to dry, I am going to go ahead and get these brows together. I've been growing out my brows, y'all, and I've been liking the fluffy brow look. So I use the Anastasia Brow Freeze. I just get some in a spoolie, and I just press that into my brows and just brush my hairs in the upward motion to give me that full brow look that I love. And I'm also just going to go take that concealer again and go ahead and line underneath my brows, y'all. My Morphe brush, I'm not sure what number brush this is, but it came in my MUA Life brush kit, and I love it. Like, it's the best thing smoking for a foundation brush. And I'm blending these edges out, okay? I'm blending the edges all the way out, and I'm taking that excess concealer and shaping up that cheek. So we're doing some reverse contour without having to do too much and apply too much product, okay? Y'all see how I'm taking some of that product from the top and bringing that underneath that cheek to sharpen that cheek up? Something real quick. And y'all, I made sure I left this in real time. This how quick your girl is working, okay? This how quick you can get this face. So I went ahead and blended all of that into my forehead as well. And I didn't want it didn't have to be perfectly blended because I knew I was going to go in with some bronzer, so it wasn't a big deal. Now I'm taking my beauty sponge to just go ahead and blend underneath my eyes and blend that in. Just pressing that in from the inner corners to the outer corners. And for my nose, I just squeezed that sponge a little bit to make it a little narrow. And I just went all the way up my nose, child. When I tell y'all this was so quick, it was a quick beat. Your girl had somewhere to go, so we was getting it done. am trying this new Morphe palette, y'all. I actually have the other shades of this palette, but I didn't have like the deep palette, and it has the perfect bronzer shades, okay? I believe I'm using that first bronzer shade on there, and you see how I give me that redness? I love a good red. It's something about that red that just do it for me in a bronzer. But I'm taking that in the hollows of my cheeks, y'all, and I'm blending upwards to give me that seamless look with that concealer from earlier. Making sure that contour real sharp, and we shaping his face. And even though I got the smallest forehead, well, I ain't got the smallest forehead in the world, let me not say that, but my forehead is pretty small. With a hairline, it's giving low hairline, you know what I'm saying? But I still like to contour my forehead for the look. But I also went in with that that blush that's in that palette as well, and I just went ahead and put that on my cheeks. I love me some rosy cheeks. If you're new to this channel, child, Halle J loves the rosy cheeks. She gon' do the blush. She never gonna miss a day without the blush, okay? So now I'm going along the sides of my nose. All of the brushes that I'm using, y'all, is from Morphe. I had just recently bought a new brush set. I've bought one prior, but now when they had that 50% off sale, and Morphe, your girl went and racked up on the brushes, okay? Wasn't playing with it. So this is their, I believe it's a nose contour brush. It's a very small angle brush, and it's so perfect. Like, it's so perfect. And I love me a snatch nose, okay? When I had the time, I give myself that real lifted nose. You know what I'm saying? That button nose. I really love the button nose. But for a quick look, we just doing the size of that nose and slimming it up. So for the eyeshadow, y'all, real simple, okay? Real simple. We using the Warrior 2 palette, and we taking that brown shade out that palette, and we blending that into that crease, child. We not doing nothing major. You get you a brown shadow, and you blend that in the crease. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. It ain't gotta be pretty, it ain't gotta be perfect. Blend it in however you can, child. And we're going to move on to the next after this. And I also like to blend up into the eyebrow sometimes too. But it just all depends on you. It's not necessary. Just make sure there's no harshness where the eyeshadow stops. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you blend that in real, real good. So now, just for a little extra, I'm patting some of that gray shadow that's still in that palette to just give my lid some extraness and give the illusion of a real soft cut crease. So I just place that lighter shade right there on top of my lid, and since the brush is round, it does the job for me with getting in that crease and making that shape, y'all. Y'all, the brushes are made to help y'all, okay? The brushes are made. Let the brushes help you out, okay? So, child, listen. I know y'all looking like, what the heck is going on here? Listen, I don't typically use this brush for eyeliner, and I don't know why I decided to do it now. But I'm letting y'all know the real of what happened when I was doing my makeup, okay? It was supposed to be just a regular line. You know, it was supposed to be just a regular line, like I always do. But it didn't work out that way. And it wasn't perfect, and it wasn't straight, and it got real raggedy real fast. So I said, forget it. I'm taking a brush, and I'm just smoking that out, child. Smoking it out, because it's not a big deal. I got hooded eyes, so it's not going to be noticeable. And once I smudge that out, I'm just going to go ahead and take that into the crease as well. And just make it look like it was supposed to be there, okay? You can always fix it. Makeup is an art, child, and can't nobody tell you your face ain't right, okay? If you decided you wanted to do that, that's the face that you wanted. That's the look that you was going for. And keep it pushing. Thank you very much. But, yeah, because I was not going to start my eyes over. I just wasn't. So, now I am going in with the LA Girl eyeliner. This is their neon blue eyeliner. I also found this on Amazon. Yeah, I just thought it would be real cute just to add a little pop of color, something different, because I always do black and white. So I was like, I want a color eyeliner. I just feel like it would just make the eyes pop. So for lips, I believe this is the Morphe lip liner in Vibes. And as y'all see, like, I love me a dark lip liner just to really shape my lips, because I like to overline sometimes. This is a little bit too just red for me. I'm just used to the brown liner with a new lip blended in, and it's perfect. I'm not used to this look at all. But I was trying it, and I think I mixed in Trendsetter as well, because y'all see it's a little darker on here, so I think I mixed that in as well. And now I'm going in with the Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in Sweet Tooth, one of my favorite liquid lipsticks, my favorite nude liquid lipsticks. And while I'm letting that dry, I think this is Vibes. I think it might be Vibes. Since my hair has a red tone to it, I like to fill in my brows with a pencil that has a red tone to it, just, you know, to mesh it a little bit. But I'm not doing too much, y'all. Like, I'm literally going along the brow and doing little hair-like strokes. This is, you know, I told y'all, this is an effortless look, something real quick. And so I realized that I didn't like the lip, y'all. I blended it in and it was just like too light for me, and it just wasn't doing what it needed to be done. So I went in with my handy dandy LA Girl brown liner, okay? And I did that same liquid lipstick, but I applied some light concealer. It's basically white. I believe it's the Tarte Shape Tape in Fair. But any concealer just to brighten it up, okay? Just to give me that real drastic, light, bright lip with a dark liner. I just like that look. So make sure I'm blending that all the way in. And I went in with my Ulta gloss and no, y'all, I usually always use my Ulta gloss, but this time I used the Nyx Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. I feel like it will brighten the lip up somewhere as well, and it came out super cute, okay? And I loved it. And this is just it, y'all. Your girl didn't do no lashes, she didn't do too much, something quick. I put on some mascara and kept it pushing, and she's still that girl. She's still cute, okay? Thank y'all for tuning into this video. Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. I am bringing y'all content every week, okay? Won't miss one. Bring y'all content every week. And if you haven't already, go ahead and watch these videos y'all see on the screen. Y'all already on the tube. Why not gain some knowledge from your girl? Why not figure out the tips and the tricks and the products and the techniques, okay? Thank y'all for tuning in, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.